Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. I'm Dr. Hina Khan, and today our lecture is about the post-mortem decomposition. Now, the post-mortem decomposition basically deals with the late changes in the dead body. When I say late, it means almost 24 hours have passed after death, and we are dealing with those changes right now. The first section deals with an overview. It gives a definition to the post-mortem decomposition changes, the types of the decomposition that takes place, and the putrefaction phenomena, which happens almost after 24 hours after death. Now, the second section deals with the putrefaction. It deals with the sequence of changes that occurs in the dead body, the factors affecting the putrefaction. They can be environmental, they can be physical, and the timeline of putrefaction, which is very important to determine the time since death when we are medico-legally investigating a case. Now, the third section basically deals with the Adipocere formation. The environment has a lot of effect on the changes that are occurring in the body. And so the third section basically is a varied phenomena of putrefaction, that is the Adipocere formation that happens in the moist and the humid environments. So the formation, first of all, we'll discuss that in this section, and then the appearance, and then the medico-legal importance to the Adipocere formation. Now, the fourth section, it deals with the decomposition and the mummification phenomena. Now, the mummification basically is the other part to the putrefaction phenomena. Now, the putrefaction in the moist environments, it gives rise to the Adipocere formation, and the putrefaction in the dry environments, on the other hand, gives rise to the mummification phenomena. So the decomposition in the immersed bodies, that is drowned bodies, we'll be discussing that in the fourth section. The decomposition in the buried bodies is also discussed in the fourth section. And finally, the mummification process in detail. The fifth section deals with the skeletonization and damage by the predators. Now, in our environment, we have a lot of predators, scavengers, for example, the kutus, the vultures, the foxes, the larval infestations. There are all types of predations, and that will be discussed in the fifth section. It gives rise to the skeletonization phenomena, and the types of predators and the type of damage that they cause to the dead body is discussed in detail in the fifth section. I hope you're interested in learning more on post-mortem decomposition. Do watch the other sections of this lecture. Thank you for watching sqadia.com.